Hello.
Cameras can talk. Like, yes. There. And a cat. Come on. Cat. What? Do that again. That was quite nice. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
For you.
Hi, my name's Matt, and this is Near. We have a message for all you people out there. Hey, Near. Oh gosh, drugs are bad. I'm so sorry. What? I don't know. I look like someone I don't know, and apparently it's a good thing. Yes. Yay! Kenny. Get on. The hell? Thanks. Cookies. Need whipped cream. Okay.
This is real. This is no. Cranberries.
You need to be quiet when they're everything. Who doesn't have parents? Wait. Put it down, come on. What? Between your legs. Matt has 3 thumbs. I don't like it that way. I don't like it like that. Oh, remember the peppermint bar? It's like, yo, I'm pretty.
That was my finger. Thank you.
It tasted good.
Oh wow. Matt's going to the bathroom.
Watch.
Matt has boobs.
How do you expect me to do this?
You're a girl. Squat.
Oh my gosh.
Use the cat box.
Use it.
Use it good.
Yes.
Kick it later.
No.
Do it. We'll see.
Fail.
Yeah. Don't have a color. No. Balls. Necrophilia. Ow! That's my leg. Ugh. I got the camera!
Hi, I'm Light's feminine side.
That's gay. Light is gay. It's upside down. Get your spaghetti out. Yeah, leave me on the floor. Leave me on the floor. We drag you? Yes, please. Oh my god. Help me. Hello! You're dragged by your feet.
Yeah, this is fun.
Ugh. I don't know if it's getting you. Yeah, it is.
Oh my gosh, you're big. I know my face is scary, Chreestuh.
On the
Thanks.
floor. Why do you look at your nose? What? What? Who is this? When?
Lights.
Boobs.
I thought it's scary. I thought it's...
Uh-oh, my scalp's coming off.
Oh no! They know we...
Let's go check myself out in the mirror.
I should like frosting off your finger again.
No.
It was fun though.
No. Oh. Oh! Ooh, that's pretty looking. Good.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes,
Matt. I have 6 minutes of us just like
Yeah,
running
just-
around doing nothing.
I like it. I like it too. We should put it on YouTube. Oh my god.
We should like not
Don't
edit
hurt.
it at all.
Don't hurt the cat. It's a mellow. See, look, it has bangs.
Hey, look.
Can't see them.
This is my brother because I'm a mat kitten.
I'm down. Can't put that kitten on.
This is non-cancer.
This is not cancer.
You want to be cancer?
Sure, let's go to cancer. Don't hurt the cat. Don't touch the cat anymore. God damn it.
I didn't.
No, seriously, don't touch the cat. You have to unlock it. Oh, you don't unlock it. You fail.
I just picked it up. Cancer.
Turn on light.
All I did is pick it up.
Did you turn on light?
It's cold.
Okay.
Okay. Cancer.
Cancer's probably not here.
Cancer.
She probably went to the dumpster land across the street.
That makes sense. All I did is pick it up though.
But he doesn't like being picked up.
Sorry, kitty.
Ha!
Cookies.
Good.
Can I like please lick the cream off your finger?
Fine.
Please.
There we
You
go.
can lick it off mine. Okay.
Oh, fine.
Let's stare at Matt's ass.
You're staring at my body parts enough. Thank you. You can do it yourself.
Ah!
I would do it, but I don't know where that floor is going. I'm sorry. I eat leaves out of the gutter, but I do not lick stuff off the floor.
How's that much difference?
No.
Near failed. He gets into a new adoptive family and he just like screws up everything. Doesn't he?
Yeah.
Doesn't he? Okay.
Oh my gosh, you have to do it over the sink. Yes. Get back.
My turn.
More.
Ready, Matt?
Trust you.
For real this time. Let's do it for real this time. Here you go.
Hey, wait, let me get it off.
Okay. I got it.
Did you film it? Do it again.
Yeah, film it.
Do it again.
No, I already got it.
It's getting your the corner of your mouth. Ready? Go. Do you care if I use some of this?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Probably yes.
Come on, she probably went over here.
No, she's in here.
Shut up. Let's get it on your shirt. Let's get it on your arm right here. Please. Matt's dying. Let's watch.
He's smoking.
Look it up.
He's smoking. What? He's been smoking. What do you think?
This isn't grape soda. No, it's not grape soda. Look it off, dear, please.
No.
Please.
No. Sink. Sink. Sink.
Bathroom again.
Okay. I almost peed myself. It was not nice. It did not feel very good. There's whipped cream on the camera. There's whipped cream on the camera. Yes. Video. Hi. Turn it off. We're at like 10. I think we turn it off.